Hi, my name is Jessica Kniff. You can call me Jess. My husband and I, we have 3 children, and I've been a part of the YogaFaith family for 2 years now. Prior to YogaFaith, I was in the healthcare world, was in a operations role. I had an opportunity to serve nationally, multiple states. I had wrapped myself into this identity full of performing that I had to be the best, I had to be at top. And if I wasn't, I was striving to get there. The amount of healing that took place in my immersion, chains broke, there's just so much there the Lord just took away, and I came out. He allowed me to be a daughter of the kingdom. I was a daughter of the King for all those days, and I wasn't a mom, I wasn't a wife, I wasn't a boss, I wasn't all the things that I had wrapped my identity in. He allowed me to see a glimpse of heaven. I think the best part is being able to know, learning who I was in Christ, learning that I truly was a daughter and it wasn't about performance. If it weren't for YogaFaith, I don't know that I would have ever gotten that. I really don't know that anybody would have been able to teach me how to be still enough to listen and hear what the Lord truly had planned for my life.